welcome back to another YouTube video by your girl Kiissi. And today what I'm going to prepare for you today in the kitchen, I'm going to make some turned cornmeal. So right about now I have some cornmeal here. I have some coconut milk. I don't have the coconut, so I'm using the powder. I have some GUNGO peas here, they call it pigeon peas, but we call it GUNGO peas back home. And over here I have some scallion and some thyme. So I'm going to take you step by step what I'm going to do. So right now in the pot I have my GUNGO peas. So I'm going to put some coconut milk inside of it. So it's basically, you're seasoning it basically like what you'll be cooking like rice and peas. It's the same procedure. So it's like you're making rice and peas, but this time you're going to use cornmeal. So I'm going to add some fresh scallion, some thyme, and pepper. I'm going to add some water to it. Some butter. I'm going to add some sea salt, a tip of black pepper, so I'm going to leave it to boil for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So right here guys, I'm going to have my turned cornmeal with some chicken back, and this chicken back is seasoned from yesterday, so like a day before I season it. So I'm going to show you how I cook my chicken back also. So the pot for the turned cornmeal is boiling. So what I have in the pot here right now is some GUNGO peas, coconut milk. With coconut milk I have scallion, thyme, and a pepper, and I put some butter in and a little salt. And over here now I have my chicken back on the fire. I'm browning the chicken back because I'm making brown stew chicken back. So I had my peppers, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, and some water. So I'm going to leave it to boil. So okay, I'm going to add my cornmeal in. So meantime you pour in the cornmeal, you have to keep on stirring. You have to keep on stirring because you don't want it to get lumpy. So I'm adding my cornmeal in. So I'm going to keep on stirring. You have to keep stirring because you don't want to get lumpy. And if you find it's too thick, you can add some coconut milk to it. So see, it start getting to so you have to mix it. You have to keep stirring. Put the fire on low. So I'm gonna leave it to cook for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes because you know it's cornmeal, it have to cook properly. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it to cook. Look at it. So that's turned cornmeal. So guys, it's like 15 minutes now and it's cooked. The turned cornmeal is cooked. So as I told you guys, basically you cook your turned cornmeal. It's simple. It's like you're cooking your rice and peas, but instead of putting rice, you put in cornmeal. And each time you pour your cornmeal, you have to keep stirring because you don't want it to get lumpy. So that's my turned cornmeal. It looks so delicious and it tastes so delicious. Trust me, I haven't had this in a while now. So I'm gonna let it stay on the stove for a little bit more, like maybe 5 more minutes. Feels so good. So now that my chicken back is cooking, I'm gonna add some carrots and some Irish potato. So my turned cornmeal is finished. I'm gonna turn off the stove. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Look at the texture. Look at the texture of it. Look at that. My god. my chicken back is almost cooked. I turn it down to make the gravy go down a little, but it almost cooked. So I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the finishing. My turned cornmeal is finished cooked, and that's my juicy chicken back over there. Okay guys, that's the finished dish of my turned cornmeal with chicken back. So again, you guys can like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification button so you can know whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.